Learn how to make your home work better with useful gadgets. In this video, we will show you 17 home and kitchen gadgets on Amazon. Let's get started. Maximize your shower storage with the HAMITOR Corner Shower Caddy Tension Pole. This versatile organizer features 4 large shelves, each capable of holding 2 to 3 32-aughts bottles or 4 to 5 16-aughts bottles, perfect for all your bath accessories. Crafted for durability, the thickened plastic shelves resist deformation and can support up to 9 pounds each. Self-draining holes keep your items dry and clean. The pole is made from premium 304 stainless steel, ensuring rust resistance and longevity. The plastic shelves are easy to clean and won't develop water stains. Keep your shower essentials organized with the S&T INC Shower Organizer. This hanging caddy measures 14 by 30 inches and features 7 pockets to store all your shower needs within easy reach. Perfect for body wash, shampoo, conditioner, and other personal care items. Made of 100% polyester mesh, this shower caddy dries quickly after use. It's designed with 3 metal grommets for easy hanging on your existing shower curtain hooks. Compatible with spring-loaded shower rods for convenient installation. Upgrade your kitchen with the CAROTE 10-piece nonstick cookware set. Featuring a sturdy die-cast aluminum body, this set combines durability with lightweight convenience. The comprehensive set includes 2 frying pans, a saucepan with lid and steamer, a casserole pot, a sauté pan, and a silicone turner. It's perfect for all your everyday cooking needs. Coated with white granite, a top-level nonstick material, these pots and pans offer 10 times the nonstick performance. They're PFOS and PFOA-free, ensuring safer, healthier cooking. Transform your room with BGment Blackout curtains. Each package includes 2 panels, measuring 52 inches wide by 63 inches long. The panels feature 8 silver-colored metal grommets, fitting rods up to 1.6 inches in diameter. These curtains offer maximum blackout with their black lining backing, completely blocking sunlight and ensuring privacy. Perfect for creating a dark environment for sleep even during bright days. Energy efficient and insulating, these double-layered curtains help maintain room temperature, potentially lowering your energy bills. Wrap yourself in comfort with the EMME cotton throw blanket. Crafted using a 6-layer yarn textile process, this blanket is super soft, lightweight, and gentle on sensitive skin. Made from 100% soft muslin, it's highly breathable and moisture-absorbing. This ensures a deep, comfortable sleep without overheating, making it ideal for use in any season. Generous in size at 50 by 60 inches, this versatile blanket is perfect for snuggling on the couch or in bed. It's large enough to share with family, creating cozy moments together. Caring for your EMME blanket is easy. Machine wash in cold water on a gentle cycle. Simplify your storage with this versatile portable shoe rack organizer. Its one-piece folding design allows for quick 3-minute installation and easy folding, making it convenient to use, store, and transport. Enjoy flexible organization with free combination options. Assemble it as a shoe cabinet or create a wall of sneaker racks. Mix and match different-sized boxes to suit your needs. Crafted from PP and PET materials, this odor-free shoe rack is environmentally friendly. Its thickened folding support frame ensures strong weight-bearing capacity. Enhance your bathroom with Buganda bathroom rugs. These contemporary geometric-designed mats feature soft, fluffy microfibers standing 0.6 inches high. Our unique fiber locking technology ensures unmatched comfort and density. Ultra-absorbent microfibers quickly soak up water, keeping your floors dry as you step out of the shower or get ready by the sink. Safety is key with the strong TPR non-slip backing. Remember to place on clean, dry, smooth floors and keep the bottom dry to prevent slipping. Versatile in use, these rugs work great in bathrooms, tub areas, in front of sinks, or anywhere you want warm, supportive comfort for your feet. Elevate your bathroom decor with the ZCCZ 6-piece bathroom accessory set. This comprehensive collection includes a soap dispenser, toothbrush holder, vanity tray, bathroom tumbler, and 2 apothecary jars. Crafted from premium poly resin with a unique stone-textured finish, these accessories will make your bathroom stand out. The sturdy soap dispenser features a corrosion-resistant, stainless steel-coated pump head, perfect for various liquids. The compact toothbrush holder accommodates most toothbrush sizes. The vanity tray, measuring 8.7 by 4 inches, provides an elegant platform for your bathroom essentials. Organize your bathroom with the versatile YIGII hairdryer holder. This 3-in-1 organizer can be easily mounted on counters or cabinet doors, saving valuable bathroom space. Note, it's not recommended for room doors. With its large capacity of 10.43 by 0.32 by 7 inches, this holder features 3 compartments. It securely stores hairdryers, curling wands, brushes, and combs, keeping your countertops tidy. It's perfect for bathrooms, guest bathrooms, and powder rooms. Adjust the holder to your needs with its flexible height options. The shortest hanging degree is 11 inches, extendable up to 15 inches in 4 increments of 1.96 inches each. Keep your soap clean and dry with the Vonpri soapbox holder. Designed with a tight-closing, secure latch, it's ideal for hiking trips when you need to minimize toiletries. The ridged bottom keeps soap from slipping, while the clear, see-through design allows easy identification of contents. This soap saver features multiple layers of mesh, helping your soap last longer and create rich suds. It keeps beauty bars drier between uses, extending their lifespan. The soft cover and anti-slip design make cleaning a breeze. Its clear construction lets you easily see when it's time for a new bar. Bring Mediterranean flair to your table with Pure Living's 32-piece dinnerware set. This unique collection for 8 features warm, light colors that radiate laid-back island vibes, creating a magically unwinding atmosphere. Crafted from solid stoneware with a high-fired, glazed, and scratch-resistant surface, this set is perfect for those who cherish life's finest moments and appreciate top-quality kitchenware. The enchanting set includes 8 dinner plates, 8 dessert plates, 8 pasta bowls, and 8 bowls for cereals and soups. It's versatile enough for both daily use and special occasions. Transform your space with the luxurious Ashler Faux Fur Rug. Made from premium, durable faux sheepskin, this rug offers exceptional thickness and softness. Its gentle texture is suitable for all ages, providing comfort without irritation. Safety is assured with the non-slip suede leather backing, expertly sewn to keep the rug securely in place. This design guarantees both stability and aesthetic appeal. Available in various sizes, the Ashler rug fits most room spaces perfectly. With a plush 2.8-inch height, it creates a cozy, warm cushion on cold floors or hard chairs. Upgrade your kitchen organization with the Godboat dish drying rack. This multifunctional rack features triple protection with non-slip rubber feet, safeguarding both your dishes and countertops. Enjoy automatic draining with a 360-degree rotatable funnel-shaped tray, adjustable to any sink position. The hollow design and separate drainage ports ensure your countertop stays dry. With large capacity, this rack accommodates over 10 plates of various sizes, plus a 3-slot cutlery holder and a cup rack for 4 cups. Crafted from high-strength, polished metal with a protective lacquer, this rack is both durable and stylish. Rounded corners and a hollow-out slot design add to its user-friendly features. Organize your life with Iris USA's plastic storage bins. Made in the USA with global materials, these durable polypropylene containers are designed to safely store all your items. This 4-pack of 12-quart deep storage boxes is perfect for home, office, or school use. Ideal for standard paper, files, documents, crafts, pantry items, and kids' toys, these versatile bins offer efficient organization for any space. Security is key with the 2-buckle latch system. The durable plastic lid securely fastens, protecting your valuables from dust and liquids. Elevate your dining experience with Leetaltree PlaceMats. Featuring an elegant vinyl woven texture and precision-cut, heat-trimmed edges, these double-sided mats combine sophistication with practicality. They provide a non-slip surface, resist fading, and are easy to clean. Protect your table from scratches and spills with these heat-resistant mats. Capable of withstanding temperatures up to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, they also help keep your food warm. Maintenance is a breeze. Simply wipe clean with a sponge or dishcloth, or gently wash with a soft brush. These flexible mats can be folded for easy storage in cabinets or drawers. Upgrade your kitchen with the once-for-all safe Mandoline slicer. This versatile tool offers a safer slicing experience with its hidden blade design, eliminating the need for protective gloves. Enjoy 4-in-1 functionality with julienne, matchstick, slicing, and dicing modes, all without changing blades. The adjustable thickness from 0.1 to 8 millimeters allows for precise cuts on a variety of vegetables. Crafted with high-quality 420 stainless steel blades, this Mandoline ensures safe and healthy food preparation. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to its collapsible design. Use the included brush to easily remove food residues under running water. Maximize your pantry space with the Utopia Kitchen Storage Can Rack Organizer. This stackable design features 3 racks with metal connectors, offering flexible storage for a variety of canned goods and jars. Enhance your storage capacity by stacking up to 36 cans in a compact space. This efficient organizer helps keep your kitchen or pantry cabinets tidy and well organized, providing quick and easy access to all your canned products. Measuring 11 inches wide, 17.9 inches long, and 14.3 inches high, this rack is perfectly sized for most kitchen spaces.